Are you ready to make a smart move with Nikola stock? Get ready for an in-depth analysis of Nikola in this video. We released our initial report on Friday the 13th of October 2023, and now we're back with even more detailed insights just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. Stay ahead of the game and never miss out on important updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the incredible power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. It's time to uncover the unexpected. Brace yourself as we dive into the captivating story of Nikola's stock performance. Against all odds, this stock has defied our predictions, delivering an impressive gain of 1.57%. With an average return of 0.79% per day since being labeled as a sell candidate, Nikola is proving skeptics wrong. Brace yourself, because we've got some important news about a stock that's caught our attention. Hold on tight, because the next 3 months could bring a potential minus 39.07% change. But don't fret just yet, there's also a chance for a return between minus 82.48% and 6.84%. Now, let's talk about the 12-month trend. It's indicating a minus 35.01% change in the next year, but there's a possibility for a return between minus 100% and 54.39%. Picture this, a price range of $0 to $1.99 after 12 months. Welcome back, folks. Let's dive into the latest update on Nikola's stock. Brace yourselves for some exciting news. Drum roll, please. The Nikola stock price experienced a thrilling 1.57% gain on the last trading day. Can you believe it? It went from $1.27 to $1.29. Talk about a roller coaster ride. Throughout the day, it swung 7.2% between a low of $1.25 and a high of $1.34. Hold on tight, because there's more to come. Here's a heads up for you, the stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a staggering minus 17.83% decrease. On the bright side, 25 million shares were bought and sold, totaling a whopping $31.61 million. However, we should take note of the falling volume on higher prices, as it could be a sign of changes in the near future. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $3.97 and a low of $0.521. Currently, it stands at a remarkable 67.51% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $2.68. And get this, it's a jaw-dropping 98.63% below the all-time high on June 9, 2020, when the price skyrocketed to $93.99. Incredible, isn't it? Get ready for some exciting news. Analyst ratings are in. On Wednesday, September 14, 2022, B. Riley gave NKLA a buy grade with an initialize action. That's not all. RBC Capital believes in NKLA's potential and gave it an outperform grade with an initialize action. But wait, there's more. Cowen and Company also showed confidence in NKLA and gave it an overweight grade with an initialize action. And the good news keeps coming. Raymond James joined the party and gave NKLA a strong buy grade with an initialize action. Last but not least, Loop Capital Markets gave NKLA a buy grade with an initialize action. Welcome to our analysis of Nikola stock. Stay tuned as we dive into the ratings given by top analysts. Analysts have expressed a general neutral outlook on Nikola stock, but let's explore further. When it comes to the PE ratio and price to book, analysts are highly optimistic, giving it a rating of strong buy. However, it's important to note that for return on investment, analysts have a more cautious stance and rate the stock as a sell. Hey there. Let's dive into the exciting world of stock trading with Nikola. Something interesting is happening with Nikola's stock. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which can serve as an early warning sign. It's definitely worth keeping a close eye on this stock. But that's not all. We've also got some negative signals to consider. These signals might have an impact on the stock's near short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages are showing sell signals for Nikola, suggesting a more negative forecast. If the stock experiences any corrections upward, it might face resistance from the lines at $1.36 and $1.29. However, a breakup above these levels could issue some buy signals. Keep an eye out for that. Let's talk about a sell signal that was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 28, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by a significant -21.82%. This suggests that there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. And guess what? There's another sell signal to consider. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal as well. Discover these intriguing signals that could pique your interest. Pay attention to the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently sending a sell signal. Pivots are indicating a sell signal that occurred 12 days ago. Bollinger's indicator flashed a buy signal 162 days ago. The short-term moving average triggered a buy signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we observed a buy signal 15 days ago. Let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average revealed a sell signal just 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 11 days ago. Examining the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we identified a buy signal 24 days ago. For more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nikola. When it comes to support levels, Nikola has some interesting ones. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $1.19 and $1.18. Support levels are crucial as they indicate a potential floor for the stock. However, there's always a risk involved when testing a support level. If it breaks, the stock may plunge to the next support level. For Nikola, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $1.18 and $1.15. So, keep an eye on these levels. Now, let's talk about risk. Nikola is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. It can experience significant price swings during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a large prediction interval for this stock. So, buckle up and be prepared for some wild moves. Looking back at the last day, Nikola had a price range of $0.0900 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 7.2% volatility. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 7.5%. This means there's a good chance the stock will continue to see some significant fluctuations in the near future. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of trading levels for Nikola? But before we jump in, let's uncover some essential fundamental data that you need to know. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This vital ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Now, here's the thing. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is actually losing money. Even well-established companies go through down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative P/E ratios, it may be a red flag for insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. Moving on, mark your calendars for the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023. You can expect it to be released on November 2, 2023. Keep a close eye on the analysts' consensus estimates, which currently stand at a surprising $0.150. These numbers have the power to significantly impact stock prices, so they're definitely worth monitoring. Welcome, folks. Today, we're going to dive into some exciting day trading possibilities for Nikola. If you're looking for an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $1.40. This is a crucial point that you might want to wait for before making a move. And for those already holding the stock, listen up. This could be the perfect chance for some swing trading action. Now, let's talk about the downside. Nikola faces its first support level at $1.19. If this level holds strong, it could be a golden opportunity for you to jump in and expect a rebound. Welcome back to our analysis on Nikola. Today, we'll be diving into some exciting insider trades and discussing the overall sentiment from various analyst sources. But first, let's see what the experts have to say. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Nikola is neutral. Now, let's explore the recent insider trades. On October 9, 2023, Sean Mary S. made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On September 25, 2023, Capello Joseph S. also conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. In contrast, on September 6, 2023, Pasteric Anastasia opted to sell 6,709 shares of common stock. Another insider, Vesco John C., made a significant buy of 0 shares on August 29, 2023. Lastly, on August 10, 2023, Mendez Carey sold 3,717 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -25.167. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,447,081 shares, while selling 4,735,497 shares. Hold on tight. We've got some bad news about this stock, and guess what? No stop loss has been set. Are you wondering if Nikola stock is a good buy? Well, let's take a look at the current situation. Nikola has been experiencing negative signals and is caught in a downward trend. This suggests that it may not perform well in the coming days or weeks. So, our evaluation of this stock is leaning towards the negative side. However, interestingly enough, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Now, let's talk about what we can expect for Monday, October 16th. Our projections show that Nikola is likely to open up by $0.0033 and start trading at $1.29. Attention! Before you dive into the exciting world of trading, let's talk about an important aspect. Trading comes with risks, and your hard-earned money could be at stake. So, it's wise to consult a financial advisor first. Now, let's get back to the action. But remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide you with valuable information. However, the final decision lies with you and you alone. You are responsible for your investment choices and their outcomes. Welcome, fellow investors. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks. But first, we want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree with our current view of the stock? Don't hold back, share your thoughts in the comments below. We value your opinion. Now, here's the million-dollar question: what is your target for this stock? We're eager to hear your predictions. Let's start a discussion and learn from each other. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of valuable content coming your way, so stay tuned. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. Remember, the stock market is full of opportunities, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. From all of us here at Stock Invest, happy investing.